Hello! Today we're going to learn one very beautiful mantra, Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. From the beginning, as always, I will play and sing this mantra, and after that I will show you the chords. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame, and so on and so on. And now the chords. AM. Anandamayi C. Chaitanyamayi G. Satyamayi Para. AM. One more time. AM. Anandamayi C. Chaitanyamayi G. Satyamayi Para. AM. AM. Anandamayi C. Chaitanyamayi G. Satyamayi Para. AM. AM. Anandamayi C. Chaitanyamayi G. Satyamayi Para. AM. Now let's try together a little bit slower. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. Parame. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. Now, what to do with the right hand? With the right hand, I play string by string and do it like that. Chord AM, second string, first string, fourth string, and fifth string. Anandamayi. One more time. Anandamayi. C chord, same fingers and same strings. Chaitanyamayi. Now G chord. Now I take first string, third string, fourth string, and fifth string. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. AM. One more time. Anandamayi. C. Same strings and same fingers. Chaitanyamayi. G. First, third, fourth, and fifth. Satyamayi Parame. AM. Second, third, fourth, and fifth string. And the same with second melody. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. Anandamayi Chaitanyamayi Satyamayi Parame. If you'll have any question related to this mantra, feel free to write your question in the comment section. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. I hope that you like this mantra because it's really beautiful. You can play it a little bit slower. You can play it, yes, maybe better slower, because when we play this mantra slower, it gives the whole mantra, the whole mantra very, very beautiful tuning, very beautiful sound, and you can really enjoy the sounds yourself, and if you're playing with guitar for others, and of course others can feel that. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.